Wondering if you should buy Energy Star label heating and cooling equipment? Heating and cooling accounts for as much as half of a home's energy use, or about $1,900 per year on average. The EPA provides important recommendations for energy-efficient HVAC systems, including proper sizing, quality installation, and maintenance guidelines, and other home improvement considerations to help you get the most out of your HVAC parts and systems you purchase. You can save as much as 20% annually on your total energy costs. Energy Star qualified products prevent greenhouse gas emissions by meeting strict energy efficient guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and the U.S. Department of Energy. Regardless of whether or not you live in Washington, Missouri, or need service in or around the outskirts of St. Louis, including towns like Union, Eureka, Herman, Pacific, and others in between, we hope these insights and expert advice will serve you well.